Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into the world of AI with a fantastic tool called NotebookLM. So, what is NotebookLM? It's an innovation writing assistant powered by machine learning that helps you brainstorm, draft, and refine your writing projects. Whether you're a student, a professional writer, or just someone who loves to jot down ideas, NotebookLM has something for everyone. Let's take a look at some of its standout features. First, we start by clicking here and then we'll go to this one. Now, as you can see here, we need to have a Google account. Then you either log in if you already have an account or sign up for a new one. And then after that, we will come here and then create a new notebook. And then we'll come to this page. On this page, we will have these three options. The first option is for you to get the sources from the Google document or the Google slide, which will be very easy if you already have a Google account. And the second one is a link. You can get the link from a website or you can get it from a YouTube video. And the third one is if you have already a pasted text, you can paste it here. Today I'm going to be showing you on the link. So for now, I'm going to be using a YouTube. Here we need to paste the YouTube link. So I've been thinking about searching something about NotebookLM, and then we'll go to YouTube, and then we have this. So we come here and copy the link from here. Now we go to our NotebookLM and then paste the link here. Then we click insert and it's working on it. NotebookLM has given me a summary based on the YouTube link that I just shared right here. So let's say that I want to add another YouTube link and then make it a brief summary. So all I have to do is come to this add sign, and then again I can come here and add the YouTube link. So I got this again. Now we go for YouTube. Here we have another video explaining about NotebookLM. So I'll click here again, share, copy, and then back to NotebookLM and paste it here. Just like that, and insert. Now this entire thing became based on around these two videos from the YouTube. Now again, if I want to add a website, I come here and go for the website. I'll be searching it here. Now I come here and select, copy the link, go back to NotebookLM, and then paste it here. Go for insert. Now it's also generating for the third one. So in this source, now we have this one link and these two YouTube video tutorials. Here from this all information, I can be doing a lot of things. First, let's go for briefing documents. And now it will be generating another brief document. It will give me a brief information of what is exactly going on. The other thing is I can come here and click on the notebook guide. It gives you a really easy question that you can ask, just like how does NotebookLM aid visual communicate of complex data? What are the key strengths and limitations of Napkin AI? Which diverse application benefit from this combined workflow? And it will ask the question for this based off these three links that we got here and then give us the answer. Another interesting right here is that I can come here and select these two links and then get the one information out of only this link. I can also decide to make it two so it can work a little bit more broad. The other thing about this website is It can generate a podcast based on the information that you have collected. Let's say I want to generate one podcast based off this data. I'll be back to this page and select generate. As you can see, it's generating a conversation. It says this may take a few minutes, no need to stick around. Until then, we can create FAQ, a study guide, table of contents, timeline, and we have already created the brief document. Another piece of information that you might need to know, you can come here and click this box, then you can go for help me understand, critique, suggest related idea, or create an outline. For now, I'll go for help me understand, and then it will give me a more and a lot of brief information about these links that I have here. Now, as if all this thing is going on, all I need to do right here is go for the notebook guide to check my podcast. After that, I can easily access this podcast here. Surprisingly, we have a 10-minute long podcast. Let's hear what it sounds like.
Hey everyone, ready for another deep dive?
Always ready.
Today we're looking at something pretty mind-blowing. Google's Experimental Notebook LM.
Ah, yes. I've heard some buzz about this one.
It's basically this AI-powered note-taking tool, but it's way more than just, jotting things down.
Right. It seems like it's moving into the realm of actual knowledge synthesis, which is a whole other ballgame.
Exactly. And we've got 2 videos to help us unpack it all. One from Tool Finder, who dives into Notebook LM's features.
Sounds comprehensive.
And another from Blazing Zebra, who shows us how it works with this visualization tool called Napkin AI. Ever wished you could turn like a mountain of research papers into a podcast?
Huh. Wouldn't that be something?
Well, Google might be making that a reality.
Intriguing. Let's hear more.
So let's start with the
This AI is really very interesting and incredible. Like, I really suggest it for everyone to go and search it right now. I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any question, don't forget to leave them in the comments. I'm gonna continue playing around with NotebookLM for a bit now. And I'm really loving it. The interface is super friendly and the AI feel like it really gets me. What else do you want? Thank you for hanging out with me today. Keep creating and writing, but I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now.